To make an AI agent genuinely useful, we have to give it deep access to our local files and systems. But the moment we grant that access, we open up a massive security vulnerability. An organizing agent could misinterpret a command and permanently delete critical system drives. Or worse, it could accidentally leak a folder of private company data straight to the public internet. Traditional security models fail here. If we use strict firewalls to block the AI at every turn, the agent becomes utterly useless. But if we remove all the blocks, we invite total disaster. What modern AI architecture actually requires is a flawless, invisible filter, a system that quietly observes and controls behavior without ever interrupting the user's workflow. That specific solution is AgentShield. Originally conceived under the name AgentGuard, the entire system was rapidly engineered during an intense 36-hour build sprint. To actually see how AgentShield protects a system without bothering the user, we have to slow down time to a fraction of a millisecond and track the exact microscopic journey of a single AI command. Without a fail-proof architecture in place to catch the inevitable mistakes an AI will make, deploying these agents for real utility remains impossible. Let's trace a standard task. A user types a prompt telling their AI agent to research 3 competitor websites and compile the pricing data into a private company database. The exact moment the user hits enter, the system wakes up the Express API backend. Express API is a highly streamlined web framework used for rapidly routing server-side application requests. But instead of pinging the public web right away, the request is intercepted. It gets swallowed by AgentShield's primary architectural component, known as the gateway. Once inside this isolated gateway, an on-device verification process immediately takes over. The system breaks down the captured data packet to see exactly what the AI intends to do. Operating silently in the background of this proxy are 2 specialized tools called TinyFish and Codex. These programs continuously scan the system for code-level vulnerabilities and write automated fixes. They run 24/7. The moment TinyFish and Codex spot a weakness, they automatically execute patches in real time. The user never even knows it happened. This combination of hard interception and continuous silent scanning shifts the entire security model from reactive damage control to proactive threat neutralization. This animated gauge represents the gateway's internal evaluation metric. Every request is assigned a threat score from 0 to 100. The lower the number, the safer the action. Let's look at scenario A. The AI needs to search the web for competitor pricing. This routine action gets a score of 5. It's completely safe, executing automatically without alerting the user. Now, scenario B. The AI attempts to inject unknown external links directly into your private database. This registers at 60. It's risky, but not overtly dangerous, so the gateway routes the request to a human for manual approval. Finally, scenario C. The AI downloads and attempts to execute a malicious competitor script. The score spikes to 95, and the command is blocked immediately. Every single one of these interactions feeds into the dashboard. This is the second main architectural component of AgentShield, functioning as a central hub where all executed, routed, and blocked incidents are neatly logged. By breaking actions into a granular, 3-tiered scoring system, the gateway avoids the catastrophic binary failure rate of a traditional firewall that either lets everything in or shuts everything down. Zooming back out to real time, we see the AI agent finishing the competitor research task and delivering the requested data. From the user's perspective at the keyboard, all of those normal background requests were automatically authenticated in milliseconds. The user experiences perfectly quiet operations. They only receive a notification if an anomaly hits that middle tier and requires direct human triage. AgentShield proves that establishing rigorous AI safety does not mean we have to throttle user speed or rely on endless, annoying approval pop-ups. Combining continuous threat detection with an invisible, scoring-based proxy provides the exact architecture required to confidently unleash autonomous AI agents into the real world.